Greetings from Prestige Electronics. This is a short demonstration video of Prestige Electronics manufactured 4.5 digit microohm conductivity meter model PE20 RCT. The equipment has a max test current of 100 amperes, the resolution of 0.01 microohms and an accuracy of 0.1% class. The equipment measures resistance at 20 degrees, resistivity, conductivity, ohm per kilometer in a single measurement cycle. The equipment comes with a touch-based graphic display for easy settings and interface. This is the power on window display, the main section, control keypad, temperature sensor, measuring terminals, start stop key and external earthing. Right now we have connected a 12.5 mm rod and doing the measurement at 1 meter length. So the length of measurement, area and inferred absolute temperature of copper has been set. The ambient temperature is displayed here. The ambient resistance would be displayed here. The reference resistance at 20 degrees would be displayed here. The reference temperature is set at 20 degrees. Test current selected currently is 100 amperes. The conductivity, resistivity and ohm per kilometer would be displayed here. Now we will do the start measurement. Here you can see the reading is 143.14 microohms. The resistance at 20 degrees is 140.54 microohms. Conductivity that we got is 100%. Resistivity is 1.72 to 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. And ohm per kilometer is 0.1405 ohm per kilometer. So all the parameters are displayed in a single cycle. The selection of test current can be done from here. 100, 50, 10, 1. Any current can be selected as per requirement. So now 50 ampere is selected. 3 modes of operation are given: continuous, pulse and auto hold. In continuous mode, you have to press the start key and the stop key also has to be pressed by the user after the successful measurements are done. In pulse mode, the current would be flowing for a small duration. The readings would be noted and the instrument will go into discharge mode automatically. And in auto hold mode, you start the measurement. Once the readings are stable, the equipment will auto discharge. So this is the best mode in which the instrument can be used. We will repeat the measurement even at 50 amperes. As we are in auto hold mode, the rating would, here you can see now the instrument is going to hold mode automatically and we are getting similar readings. The equipment comes with the inbuilt temperature sensor which measures the ambient temperature and the corrected readings are displayed here. There are many other set of features available. For more details, please contact the manufacturer. Thank you.